What is ThinkFour? Talented teachers explaining complicated ideas is gold, particularly this year.
At ThinkFour, we believe everyone should be able to access this.
Whenever and wherever they want. So we've done something about it.
We've used the science behind digital learning to create a free learning space and streaming site for young people.
We've taken the complicated bits of SQA Highers and unpacked them in video tutorials that last 4 minutes.
You can watch them, share them, and upload your own versions. We're completely free and we're open access.
We will not annoy you with adverts, promotions, or products. We have no philosophy or deeper purpose.
We simply provide video content of talented people explaining complicated ideas simply.
ThinkFour is a social enterprise startup. We're a collaboration between expert teachers and an award-winning digital media company from Glasgow.